Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can delete YouTube channel permanently on your mobile phone. The first thing is to go to Google and type youtube.com and make sure that you are on desktop mode. You can see desktop mode, and after that click on the menu icon by my left hand side and go to settings, then click on view advanced settings, and you can see delete channel. Then you are going to click on delete channel, and by this is going to bring the step. You can see, so this is going to went blank because of Google security is going to went blank, so sorry for that. You can see I want to permanently delete my content. You can see now remove YouTube content, hide or delete. Then you are just going to, I want to permanently delete my content. You can see, then you are going to click here. You are going to tick this one, tick this. The following will be permanently deleted. Your one subscription to other. Then you are just going to make sure that you read this so that you can know what is going to delete. And number two is any paid subscription that you own, e.g. YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, and channel membership will be cancelled. You can see. Then you are just going to click on delete my content. Type on this will please confirm by type in your channel name, unpredictable comedy. Typing, then by this, after typing your channel name, then you are just going to click delete. You can see, okay, move YouTube content, your content is being deleted. So by this you can permanently delete your YouTube channel and your contents that you own on it, and you can delete it on your mobile device by this step. And if you find this video helpful, I hope you can subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video.